organic matter is 58% carbon. Okay? Now, look what happened. I don't know if we have time for this.
I'm a climate scientist at NASA's Goddard.
Well, let's just do this real quick because it's so cool.
What you're looking at is a supercomputer model of carbon dioxide levels in the Earth's atmosphere. The visualization compresses 1 year of data into a few minutes. Carbon dioxide is the most important greenhouse gas affected by human activity. About half of the carbon dioxide emitted from fossil fuel combustion remains in the atmosphere, while the other half is absorbed by natural land and ocean reservoirs. In the northern hemisphere, we see the highest concentrations are focused around major emission sources over North America, Europe, and Asia.
Look at the date.
Notice how the gas doesn't stay in one place. The dispersion of carbon dioxide is controlled by the large-scale weather patterns within the global circulation.
What did we do in April? All over the country. See how I got red? We till. Tillage is going on, that massive landscape area.
During spring and summer
now
in the
look what
northern
happens.
hemisphere, plants absorb a substantial amount of carbon
Now look
dioxide
when the plants start
through
growing.
photosynthesis, thus
April.
removing some of the gas from the atmosphere.
Look at that. Look at May.
We see this change in the model as the red and purple colors start to fade.
Look at this. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Do you mean if we covered the planet, we could fix our climate issues? Now, if we build our soils 1 to 2% organic matter, we could sequester all the CO2 that's been emitted by man in the last 100 years.
Say it again.
If we build our soils 1 to 2%, we could sequester all the carbon that's been emitted in the last 100 years. The second largest carbon sink in the world is the soil. Ocean's number 1, soil's number 2. You see how powerful this is? But most of our lands through the globe are uncovered.